I'm here with Stephanie and we're making
Pan-fried pork and shrimp dumplings. Shrimp,
ground pork,
salt,
sugar,
lots of garlic,
soy sauce,
sesame oil,
rice vinegar,
black pepper,
cornstarch,
and a ton of green onions.
and now we mix. You wanna use your hands?
We can use our hands.
Sure. You could do it.
I'll get down and dirty.
Yes.
Mix it really well.
So how we wrap it is we dip our fingers in this egg wash and add it to the wonton wrapper and a little scoop of our filling and pinch.
And tuck.
Nice. Teamwork. How'd you do?
Good.
Aren't they
Oh my
cute?
God, that's so
These
perfect.
Are beautiful.
We're gonna pan fry until golden. Nice and golden, just like this.
This is my homemade dumpling sauce with a little chili oil. Cheers.
Cheers.
Thanks for cooking with me.
Of course. Thanks for having me. Delicious.
Perfect, delicious. If you like this recipe, it's in my new cookbook, Healthy My Way. You can order it wherever books are sold.
Check it out.
This one's for you.
Oh, thank you. I'm gonna go home now. Bye.
I'll take the dumplings.